Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Cotton prices continued their downward trend, falling by 20 to 30 points. Futures contracts also declined, closing down 68 to 71 points in the nearbys. Meanwhile, the US dollar index increased to $98.312, and crude oil rose 36 cents per barrel. Lean hog futures declined by 47 cents to $1.27 across most contracts due to long liquidation. Preliminary open interest data showed a decrease of 2,904 contracts. The national base hog price fell to $98.63, down 76 cents from the previous day. Live cattle futures saw a price increase of $1.05 to $1.22 across nearbys due to market activity. However, October live cattle deliveries remained unchanged. Additionally, feeder cattle futures continued their upward trend, but cash trade for cattle remains slow nationwide, with some sales reported at $230 in Iowa. Wheat prices remain stable, trading within a narrow range of unchanged across major markets. However, the market closed on a slightly lower note due to limited buying activity. Soft red wheat futures on the Chicago Board of Trade, CBT, fell by 5 to 6 cents. The wheat complex ended the period on a weaker note, with prices declining 5 to 6 cents for soft red wheat and 3 to 4 cents for hard red winter, HRW, wheat futures at the Chicago Board of Trade. Corn futures prices decreased by up to 2 cents on Tuesday, easing off some technical resistance. The current cash corn price is $3.77 per unit, and the average close for December contracts this month remains at $4.20. Live cattle futures rose by $1.05 to $1.22 across nearbys. No deliveries were made for October live cattle. Weak cash trade continued, with limited activity reported at $230 per head in Iowa. U.S. cotton futures saw a decline in the near-term contracts, ranging from a decrease of 68 to 71 points. Meanwhile, the U.S. dollar index rebounded slightly, increasing by $0.513 to reach $98.312. Additionally, crude oil prices rose by 36 cents per barrel and cotton sales at the seam reported an average price of 60.70 cents per pound. Lean hog futures declined by 47 cents to $1.27 across most contracts, with the national base hog price dropping 76 cents to $98.63. The CME Lean Hog Index also fell, down 82 cents from its previous value at $102.02. U.S. stock markets experienced losses on Tuesday, with the S&P 500 index declining 0.38%, the Dow Jones Industrials Index down 0.2%, and the Nasdaq 100 index falling 0.55%. Additionally, December S&P futures dropped 0.37% and Nasdaq futures declined further. The U.S. dollar index rose by plus 0.48% to a 1.5-week high after Federal Reserve officials expressed hawkish sentiments, emphasizing the need to combat persistent inflation. Lean hog futures have declined by 32 cents to $1.10 across most contracts, while the CME Lean Hog Index dropped 82 cents to $102.02. The USDA's FOB plant price was also affected, but its national base hog price is currently unavailable due to low-volume trading. The Granite Shares 2X Long AMD Daily ETF saw significant outflow, with 16,110,000 units being destroyed, representing a 26.8% decrease in units outstanding compared to the previous week. I'm happy to assist you in summarizing the financial news snippet. Home Depot Inc., HD, has been held by 17 out of the most recent 21 hedge funds filing their quarterly reports. This suggests that many investors are optimistic about the company's prospects, indicating potential future growth opportunities. Investors are showing significant interest in Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ, with 21 out of 31 recent 13F filers holding the stock. This widespread ownership suggests that many market professionals have confidence in QQQ's performance and potential for growth. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.